आम्ही दनपारा येयले 12 येयलो अपॉइंटमेंट घेवपाक मेयराचो मेयर नासलो आनी मागीर आमी आतां 4 फावटी ट्राय केला फोन मारपाक ताका फोन घेयना सो ताका खबर ना पेपरार तुमी येयला आमी 4 घेवपाचें म्हणून घेवपाक पूण म्हाका दिसता ताका इंट्रस्ट ना घेवपाचो पूण आमी हें आमचें हें पळय इन्वायट केला आमी
फोन मागता जेवणा फोन घेयना
फोन घेयना आतां तुमचे हुजेर मारता हांव ऑन आयल पुट ऑन स्पीकर जस्ट टू शो ही इज अ mayor should be responsible for citizens. We are citizens, we are not belong to any political party or anything. We have come here for our interest to protect the trees of the city. Because Panjim is famous for greenery. And if he thought greenery cover केला आम्ही cover. Now I am putting on speaker and I am trying to protect him. Let's see. Hello, Mr. Basura. I am awaiting on Miranda. I am just waiting. They are waiting to meet you. If possible, you will come into office. Regarding the tree cutting by CCB. No, I'm not there. No, we want to give you a representation. He's not there. He's also not there. What time you expect to come? We'll wait for you.
No, I'm not coming to the office today. Actually, I have other work.
Oh, you're not coming today. Tomorrow?
I'm not there.
Tomorrow is okay? See, this is we are concerned as citizens. A lot of trees are being cut by CCB equipment workers. Yeah, I know. So we want you to know from you. Yeah. So tell us, no? We want to know, no? We want to know. You're not. No. Yeah. Okay, I understand you're busy. So Mayor बोलेला था. Mayor said he's going to explain why the trees are being cut. Because we don't know, nobody knows.